The server, you really have two options as a customer. What kind of server you want for your system. And it really depends on the type of customer. So we have two types of servers. The first is what we call a multi-tenant server that we run on the Amazon cloud, where we have multiple customers using the same machine. Now, they can't see each other's data, but they're running on the same machine in the cloud. And that is very useful, certainly for testing. You know, when you first get a starter kit, our default credentials and our default endpoint on our turbos point directly to that multi-tenant server on the Amazon cloud. That server is called SkuKeeper.com. And that's definitely a very good first option. It's an easy option to deploy. But for larger deployments, you're probably going to want to get a big block server. Now, a big block server is essentially your own server. What you do is you create your own hardware, and we log into that hardware and create the software on that server to run what we call big block. It's big block software. And then that machine functions as your server. So it's something that you, as the customer, own the hardware. And of course, you own the rights to the software for the use on that hardware. And you get to run it. Well, I mean, most companies would run it on their own land, but you could run it on AWS. For example, you could decide that you want to use one of your rented machines on AWS, or maybe you've got some other place, another cloud where you have machines, and you can run it in that cloud. So the point is that there are two types of servers. One is the type where you are sharing a server, and the other type is where you have your own server.